College can be the best years of your life, or the most stressful. Trust me, I've seen it all. People tearing their hair out, or even sleeping in the library.
Today we're diving into 9 mistakes that will ruin your college experience, so you can avoid them and make the most out of your time here.
Look, I get it. You're independent, you want to do college all by yourself. But not asking for help is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. Here at Ensign College, we provide you with the resources to succeed.
With tutoring services, career services, and alumni network, here at Ensign we have your back. Don't let pride be the reason you struggle. Procrastination is a college student's worst enemy. You might think you can pull off that all-nighter. Spoiler alert, you can't. What you really need is time management.
Use the Screen Time app to track and reduce time wasted on distractions. Use Google Calendar to schedule deadlines, reminders, group projects, and even devotionals. Future you will thank you for staying organised.
If you just come to class and then head home to your dorm, you're missing out on half the college experience.
At Ensign College, you can get involved in so many ways. Join clubs, learn skills that can help you give back. Skipping meals, running on caffeine, and never sleeping, that's a fast track to a burnout.
Use helpful apps to track your fitness, diet, and stay active. MyFitnessPal to monitor your nutrition. Nike Training Club for quick and effective workouts. Meetup or Eventbrite to find fun activities like group hikes or intramural sports.
Listen, college is already expensive. Don't blow your budget on things you don't really need. Here's a simple strategy for success.
Review your spending habits often. Be smart with your money today so you don't struggle tomorrow.
Choosing random classes just to get them over with? Big mistake. Instead, meet with your counsellor to pick courses that match your career goals and create a game plan for your entire degree. Professors aren't just here to grade your work. They can be your mentors, connectors, and advisors.
Network, not just with your professors, but with any faculty member at the college. You never know who might help you land an internship or guide you towards the right career path.
Taking the easy route now may seem like a good idea, but it could backfire later. Taking hard classes pushes you to grow and even prepares you for the real world.
Seek extra help if needed. Build resilience today because in your career, challenges won't disappear. College is a blast, but don't lose sight of the main goal, your future. College is about setting yourself up for success. Don't waste the opportunity.
There you have it, the 9 mistakes that could ruin your college experience. And now that you know them, you're already ahead of the game.